When map is triggered on the mapper node will look at the value, and if the value matches any of the cases, it will trigger the corresponding output. If map is triggered and the value doesn't match any of the cases, it will trigger unmapped. If forward payload is checked, then it will send the payload through the corresponding output when map is triggered. Here's an example of where I use mappers in one of my devices. In my R34 GTR, I have this section that controls what gear you're in. It will output either -1, 0, or 1 through 6 for all the gears. And that comes out to a mapper in different locations. So this one controls the gear top speed, which has to be different for every gear. So it looks at what gear you're in, which is either -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will output the correct value. And I also have it coming over here to some more mappers. Now this one outputs the correct gear ratio for the gear you're in.